Oh!
Let me see that. Oh.
And I think that's going to be numbered. Welcome back, card fans, to another Throwback Thursday. One that I am very excited about. 2019.
All the way back to 2019.
Yeah, which isn't actually less of a throwback for football than we typically have done. Normally we're hanging out in like 2013, 14, 15 era, but 2019. Weird rookie. So I mean, Kyler, number 1 overall pick in 2019, and
okay, I remember this draft vividly.
Yeah,
so that means Cleveland Farrell was the number 4 overall pick.
Yes. So definitely, like, I think not one of the best, like, first round classes. Like, Josh Jacobs was in there, N'Keal Harry, but like Marquise Brown was in there as well, and JJ Arcega-Whiteside was one of the rookies.
Yikes. Big yikes. I'm pulling up the 2019 draft right now.
Very cool looking cards, though. Like, that's...
Yeah, let me get a better look at that when you have a deck.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Yeah. So
what
that's...
does J's stand for? I must know.
And Josh Oliver was a guy drafted.
If you say so.
We got some sort of sparkles. The Thrill of Victory, Cam Newton. That is very cool card.
37th overall pick, Greg Little, by the way.
Oh my. We got Jalen Ramsey. Another very cool looking foil pattern.
By the way, it's Jose Joaquin Arcega-Whiteside.
Whoa.
His birthday is tomorrow.
Jalen Ramsey numbered to 75.
Oh, shoot. Nice.
Not bad at all.
Paris Campbell is in here, by the way. He was a second-round pick.
Oh. Tyler Boyd. This, like, the foil patterns on these are super cool. Devontae Adams, Packers edition. Followed up by Devontae Adams, Packers edition. Followed up by rookie Tremon Smith.
Did you know T.J. Hawkinson was a top 10 pick? Because I forgot.
Yeah, wasn't he like 8th?
He was 8th.
Yeah. Don't know why I remember that he was 8th, but yeah.
Can you name the other first-round tight end from this draft?
Oh. 2019 first-round tight end. I cannot. Hey!
It's Noah Fant.
Oh! Yeah. This is
20th.
a cool one.
Who is that?
Tony Pollard.
Nice.
Sean Murphy Bunting. Another good rookie.
Wow, the Braves will be starting to hear that.
Whoa. Andy Isabella. Mayfield.
I need you to acknowledge my Sean Murphy Bunting Atlanta Braves joke.
Mayfield legend. Andy Isabella. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
That's what we're looking for. Nick Bosa. Numbered to 200.
Ooh.
That is what I'm talking about right there.
That'll work.
Probably, other than Kyler, probably the best rookie in this class.
Well, he was the number 2 pick. Josh Jacobs was 24th overall pick. Deebo Samuel was 36.
Oh, Debo would be cool.
AJ Brown, 51.
Ooh.
TK is in here.
George Kittle. Very cool.
Terry McLaurin is in here.
Oh yeah, Scary Terry would be fun too. All right, so there's definitely there's some rookies out of this. This pack feels a little heavier. I just remember too that we really don't want to see a redemption.
Tony Pollard, by the way, was a 4th round pick.
Yeah. Damian Harris rookie.
Oh.
Josh Jacobs rookie. There it is.
Nice. 1st rounder.
Undeniable CMC patch.
Oh. Damn, that boy thick.
Yeah, not numbered or anything, just a big boy patch. That's very cool.
Let me see that. Show that to me. That's a cool looking card.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Oh, OBJ. This might be numbered. Yep. 11 of 150. Donovan Peoples-Jones jersey number. OBJ.
Wow. Alright, that's cool.
If
Super Bowl champion Odell Beckham Jr.
if our buddy Warcraft Ohio was watching this, he'll be a big fan of that one. Big OBJ guy. Julio. DJ Moore. Wow. Jordan Howard. And D-Hop. The foil patterns.
Cool.
Yeah, the foil patterns on these are like insane. I think this like Rookie Revolution took the place of this. Because these are like very similar designs to that. Uh-oh. Cam Akers? Oh no. Darrell Henderson.
DH. Picking machine. Oh.
Jonah Williams. Tough. Oh. Rip in peace.
Who is it? Haskins?
JJ Watt. Announced the retirement. Oh. Back to back. JJ Watts.
Is one of them numbered?
Yep. JJ Watt to 75.
Wow.
Spirit of the game. Well, at the end of the year, that's going to be worth $1.
Yeah, hold on to that.
Yeah. Taylor Rapp played football.
I wouldn't hold on to that.
Sony Michel. Michael Thomas. Cool one. And Shelby Harris rookie.
Shelby Harris is a made-up name.
Shelby Harris was the centerpiece of the Russell Wilson trade, along with fellow first-round tight end Noah Fant. Okay? You show some respect. Oh! Peeking out. Can you see it?
Kid reporter.
DK.
I can't see it. Yes.
There he is. So many rookies in this. This is great. We've gotten most of like the big rookies we'd be looking for. Oh. Josh Allen, another one of the big rookies.
Yeah, he was a top 10 pick. Oh!
Elijah Holyfield.
That's Evander Holyfield's son.
That is a rookie auto. Followed up by...
Was it numbered?
Nope, not numbered. So, both of our hits so far have been Panthers running backs.
Well, that'll happen.
Chris Carson. Hey! There he is.
What'd you get?
Greedy.
Oh, Greedy. Nice.
Mo Alley Cox. Incredible.
One of the all-time names of an NFL football player.
Alex Armin, I've not heard. Hey, Julian Edelman. Very cool.
Hey, I'm receiving here.
PPR King. The man who ran kind of fast so that Cooper Kupp could fly. Trayvon Williams.
The man who stole targets from Brandon LaFell.
Tristan Hill. Julio, High Flyers. Robert Foster is numbered to 200. That's the first numbered card that of a guy don't know anything about. Derrick Henry.
Rip.
Oh, legend. Zane Gonzalez, rookie kicker.
He walked so Rodrigo Blankenship could run.
Aaron Donald and Earl Thomas. We got 2 packs left, one of which will contain an auto.
Damn.
So we're in for something somewhere. There's Marquise Brown. So other than Hawkinson, Darius Slayton.
Well, we didn't get Kyler yet, did we?
Yeah, that's true. No Kyler. Darrell Henderson, rookie focus. Kenny Galladay. I think that's also going to be numbered. Yep. To 150. 19 of 150. There's that eBay 101 we're all looking for.
Is that the jersey number?
Yep. Singletary, rookie.
Oh. I didn't know he was a rookie that year.
Yeah.
I missed him.
Will Fuller. Darius Geis.
Oh my god.
We could have done our thing of name every NFL running back ever, and Darius Geis would have not gotten named.
Correct.
And Keon Crossan, not someone I've heard of. Apparently a rookie. All right, last pack. This should contain an auto, or we got on average. Hey,
It's a Kyler Murray 1 of 1.
redemption. It's gonna be a patch auto, I believe.
Debo?
There's Debo,
Nice.
followed up by Dexter Williams, I guess. All right, so we'll put that
He
down.
was a first round pick.
Oh,
Let me see that. Oh.
and I think that's gonna be numbered. Myles Garrett numbered to 129.
That is awesome. What number?
90.
Oh, so close.
So close, but that is easily my favorite card of the video.
That's sick.
We got this DeAndre Walker guy again.
Alright.
Leonard Floyd. Forgot about him.
Same.
Oh, Bobby Tunyon. And
Big year for tight ends.
did Nico Autry to round it out. All right.
Alright.
Broncos. Noah Fant. Yep.
Wow.
Noah Fant, RPA, numbered to 150.
Nice pull, Bob.
There we go.
That's not
Seahawks legend. Favorite son of Geno Smith. What a cool box.
bad. Totally.
So I mean, Elijah Holyfield probably, you know, our biggest wah wah for like the hits, but like our just base patch being the CMC is very cool.
Totally.
A ton of like the main rookies we'd be looking for: Debo, Singletary, Henderson, even Darius Slayton's not bad. Marquise Brown having an awesome year. Greedy Williams, Josh Allen, the pass rusher, DK having an awesome year. Josh Jacobs having a career year. Damian Harris having a career year. Sean Murphy Bunting, good. And Tony Pollard also having a breakout year. So, I mean, that's like... And then, obviously, the best card of them all, Myles Garrett, numbered to 120.
Miles.
That's, like, pretty sick. Robert Foster, numbered, not a guy I've heard of. I mean, I've heard of him, but he's not anyone significant. Kenny Golladay, numbered, is cool. This is also pretty sick. The JJ, numbered to 75.
Oh, yeah.
Like, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's a good one.
OBJ numbered is fun because he's at least in his Browns uniform. Ramsey numbered to 75 is pretty cool. I mean,
Oh, I think you did well on this box.
and then obviously we also got the Nick Bosa numbered to 200. So I mean, like other than like a Kyler Murray low numbered auto or something like that, like pretty great box in my opinion.
Yeah, nothing to complain about.
Not at all. Hope you guys liked it. Leave a like. Sub if you're not. Drop a comment down below. What did you think of 2019 Unparalleled? Are you going to try to keep an eye out for it if it goes on sale again? Are you going to pay the full price? Or is it just not one worth opening in your opinion? We'd love to hear from you. Catch you in the next video.